So we are on the way to Modest to stage the race cars, stage the show cars, whatever you want to call it. Long time. Yeah, it's 7:40. We're supposed to be there at 7. It's an hour drive to get down there. I apologize, but like, yo, we just picked up a Dodge Ram. Like, look at that thing. Look at that thing. Yep, we traded the Mercedes in. It's been a long day, crazy day for me. But we got a Dodge, part of the Mopar gang now. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain. It's been cloudy all day. It's been raining all day. We got the drag pack on the Mustang. So let's just get down there in one piece. So we are made it to Modest. We're staging the cars, obviously. We got the Mustang, we got Sriracha, 2,000 horsepower right here. But yeah, so we got to drive car over there, blah, 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 blah. Sneak peek, you guys will never see this till like a month after the actual event. But yeah, we are at Modest. We are staging, so let's get it. All right, so as you guys enter through Modest, down the stairs here, this is what you'll see. So we're just gonna start in the very corner over here and then work our way around the whole place. I don't really see any more eclipses anymore. Look at this. This is interesting. Got a Subaru over here, bagged. I don't know what this is. Cobra. Must be a Mustang. It's pretty sick. Let's take a look at this one real quick. Oh my goodness, look at this. Got like a whole sound system in the back. Damn. Holy moly. That's pretty cool. Don't know what this is. Couldn't tell you. Got some sort of big turbo here, B series. Whoa. It's a Volkswagen? Yep. ITBs. Wow. Interesting. This is clean. I've never seen this car before. Wow. Another Volkswagen back here. This one's pretty dope. Coca-Cola of some sorts. Look at this. It's pretty dope. This is clean. Never seen this car ever before. Slum mods. Wow. This BMW here. That's pretty dope. Dang. Okay. I've never seen this one before either, I should say. I don't really know where to start. I think we're gonna start with MA Performance over here. Yeah, so MA Performance, they're local here. They're big warehouse. All the Honda, all the stage 2 parts. Yeah. We got merchandise over here. Oh, whoa. What else we got over here? I don't know. Never seen this group. Kuma family. All right, this is pretty dope. I like this. It's clean. Never seen this car before, ever. Another one, EP3. This is kind of clean. I like it. This is RSX. I think we've seen this one before. I think the whole engine bay is chrome. I mean, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Got a wide body FRS BRZ 86, one of the two. One of the three, I should say. This is pretty dope. This is pretty clean. Turbo kit. Alright. That's pretty dope. Basically the whole package here, guys. Bagged, you name it, it's got it. Oof. It's classic over here. What we got? That's pretty dope. Let's check out the interior here. Holy moly. I guess you can sign your autographs here. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Am I gonna do it? Maybe later. Maybe we'll put Mike Johnson on there, 651 My Garage on there. That's pretty dope. I was gonna do that, but nah. Clean culture. Alright. Very nice. Oh, it's probably one of my favorites right here. Kia, wide body, bagged. Look at this. You ever see a Kia like this? Never. Just look at these wheels. Holy moly. Yo, we got the NOS in the back. That's dope. What other cars we got over here? What do we got? What do we got? Spade. The Mazda? Mazda. Oh, got a decent turbo on there. All right. Very nice. Very clean. Oh, look at all this carbon here. Oof. What else we got? RX-6. All right, all right. Oh, turbo. Okay, okay. Okay. That's dope. RX-7. Yo. Well, hold on. Let's check this out. That is sweet. What do you got over here? Some, I don't even know what this is. What is this? Oldsmobile. Oldsmobile colors. Wow. This is sick. This is different. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's green. I thought it was black. Wow. That's cool. Two-tone. Yeah, I like it. I like it. That's sweet. Look at this. We got another Mustang. Oh, man. Third gen Mustang here. What we got? What we got? We got Roush. It's Roush in there. We got Roush. Okay, okay. Okay. 10 speed over there. Yeah, you 10 speed, boys. Let's go. Mustang. Mazda. You've seen this one before. Oof. Big wang. Big wang. All right, all right, all right. Yo, we got twin turbo truck over here. Holy moly. This is sweet. Got all the room over here. That's crazy. All the room for a turbo. We were driving we got S2K over here. All right, all right. Clean, basic. Subaru. Look at this Subaru. This is Impreza. Holy smoke, bagged and everything. Look at this. Sheesh, Subi Soda. Scion. Alright, white body, big wang. Alright. I like this. I like this. Nice. Let's check out this wing. Oh. We got a GTR from Wisconsin over here. Alright, alright. But what is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Check this 240. I think it's a 240. 240? Yo, that's dope. What is it? It's a 240, boys. Check out the interior. Oh man, it's clean. Clean. I like this. Clean, basic, simple setup. Very nice. Type R. The whole works here. I've seen this one many times. Just look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's show the engine bay here, guys. It's the real deal. The real deal, working the way all the way down to the rear here. Holy smokes. Spoiler, everything. Bumper deletes. Oh man. Let's check out the interior here. Gutted. Whole works. A clean culture over here. Alright, alright. Working our way down the line here. Trying to be fast. It's gonna be a very long video. Clean culture. Love the car. It's bagged. Wheels. You name it. Check out this Evo. Got some sort of wide body on here. Alright. Holy carbon fiber. Damn. P5. Alright. Subaru, alright. V8 twin turbo. Ooh, Nissan, alright. Check out this Evo over here. Alright, alright. Carbon fiber for days over here. Big wang. Yo. GTO. Check this thing out. Oh, is it Grand? What is this? Grand National? It's the Grand National. Got it. Big, yeah, turbo on here. That's sweet. Ford. Oh, yeah, trucks over here. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. Look at that. Sweet. Got 370Z, got some boost. Yep. Turbo kit in there, got it. Big wang, this is sick. I've never seen this one before. Got another stage 2 Subaru. Dude, this is sick. Look at this wrap. Oh my goodness, that is sick. Yo, that's sick. Check this out. AMS intake manifold, turbo. Wow, that's sweet. Lexus, yo. This thing's sweet. What else we got? What else we got? Holy smoke! What is this? Holy moly! Look at this turbo. Wow. Look at this over here. Holy cow! This is like a drift car or something. Drift Master right here. Street spec. Holy cow! I've never seen this one before. We gotta take another look at this car here.
What's that?
Oh, nothing. I'm just talking to myself here. We gotta take another look at this car here, you guys. Holy cow. We got the race stars in the back. Let's go. I got those too. That's dope. 100% dope. Alrighty, you guys. What's over here? We got another Subaru over here. Probably one of my favorites. That is so sick. Got Miata. This is another one of my favorites, I gotta say. Holy moly. What else we got? What else we got? Lexus. Got a Civic over here. Clean, simple, basic, very nice. Oh yeah. We missed a couple cars, but we got this truck. We got Ford. Oh yeah. Mazda. Yo. Hold on. Let's start back over here. Mazda. Oh, that's dope. That's crazy. This is crazy. Supra. Oh, let's go. Sound system. Alright. Lacy Supra. Man, this blue pops. Okay. Dope. Right hand drive. That's sweet. We got a Porsche of some sorts here all roped off. I have no idea what kind of Porsche this is. No idea, but this is sweet. And we got the Forester. Let's go. It's simple, clean, basic. I love it. We got Chris's car over here. Very nice. This is for many times. Carbon fiber. Oh yeah. Subi soda. Let's go. Look at this yellow. It pops. Oh my gosh. And then we got an SI over here. Very nice. We got photographers, videographers everywhere. Say hi.
What's up?
We're gonna go start walking around looking at all the cars. We're gonna start at the very front over there by the Escalades. But first, we must take a look at the almighty Kangaskhan Subaru right here. Look at this thing. Subi Soda. This guy's fully sponsored, bagged. Four-piece wheels, big spoiler. Here's the man. Oh shoot, what's up?
I ain't sponsored by nobody. Don't listen to this guy, man.
There are literally so many cars here. I gotta be quick. We'll go down this line first to say hi to Team Rogue, say what's up to the lineup here. Infinity, we got Mustang, alright. We got Tesla over here. Love this one. The Duracell. This is pretty dope. This is dope. We got Musashi with us. Another Musashi car right here, M2. We got Focus. We got the Mustang over here.
This thing was brand new this morning.
Brand new.
That's what happens when you do hard work.
Oh, you work?
Oh, I be working.
You be working? Is that gray hair? I think it's gray hair.
Yeah, it is gray hair. Look, I'm an old man, bro.
So we're just applying the banner.
By the way, though, next time.
Alright, well, they work on this banner for me in the Mustang. We're gonna keep working our way down the line here. We got the 2,000 horsepower Supra right here, boys. Supra, GTR, Honda swap, you name it. Let's check out the mod list though. What does it say? K swap. So about 2,000 horsepower in this one. We don't know what kind of engine's in here, you know. But yeah, GTR, fully built GTR, you guys name it, it's got it. It's got a lot of forged carbon fiber. The hood, forged carbon fiber, very nice. Big meaty tires, forged carbon inside. Trunk, forged, yeah. Mazda here, boys, bag. Hold on. This is dope. I love seeing great setups in the back here. This is awesome. Carbon fiber. Well done, Mazda. I love this. This is nice. That's so nice. Got another Focus here. This is probably one of my favorites. Suicide doors, Lambo doors, you name it. Oh yeah. I gotta show you guys the back here. This is sweet. I know we cover this a lot on the channel, but probably one of my favorites. Look at the system in the back. Yo. Another one of my favorites, you guys. If you guys grew up playing Need for Speed, Underground, buying all those Super Street import tuner magazines, man, this is literally like the car you grew up with. Just look at this, wide body, the whole shebang. There is a turbo in here too, but yeah. Look at that interior here, it's so sick. I'm not gonna lie, I keep saying every car is my favorite because every car literally is my favorite out here. I mean, look at this, wide body bag. Oh, the Lambo doors. It's got some boost over here. Oh man, like the whole works. This is sweet. Absolute killer. Lady driven too. So sweet. Just look at that. All right, let's check out the interior here. Let's check out the driver's side. Holy moly, I love the seat. That's it. We have quite a bit more to cover on the other side of the stage, the right side of the stage, but let's work our way down this side here. Got a pink car. S2K, one of my favorites. I keep saying everything's my favorite because literally everything's like my favorite here. Got a truck. I don't know what this is. That's sweet. Alright, FRS, BRZ, 86, whatever. Toyota. That's good. We got another Mustang. Alright. Look at this wrap. This is like a, I don't even know what kind of wrap this is. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's like pink. It's pink on the edges. Look at this one. Look at that intake. Ooh, that's so sick. I don't know if the camera can pick up these colors. It's super bright here, but okay, now we can finally pick up the pink color here. Okay, I had to just lower my settings down, but see what I mean, you guys? It's like pink in certain reflections. It's so sick. Alright, we got this is a Supra? What is this? Dude, I'm getting all Mazda, yo. I shouldn't. God dang, this is a Mazda. Yo, hold on. Look at this. I was gonna say, you got notch in the back. That's so sweet. That's dope. Basic Mazda. Got another Mazda. Oh yeah, this one's sweet. We got a Kia over here. Looks like it's some sort of race car. Spoiler. We got GoPros in the front. Back. I should say back and front. Yeah. Interesting Kia. It's the Kia King. All right. We got a lot of trophies here. All right. What we got? 2122, 2122 pump. Most tricked out, fastest Kia. Oh, okay. All right. Oh my God, we're gonna way down the line here. Sorry, I just not feel like talking right now. Look at this. I already know what this is. I'm not even gonna pretend. See, he's running a green belt. I think we need to switch over to green belt also. Another Subi Soda car here. Alright. M3, alright, very nice, very nice. I like the wheels. Expensive. What we got? IS 300. What is got some boots. All right. 2JZ, let's go. Got a Honda over here. 370Z, let's go. Oh, look at them wheels. Yo, we got another Miata. We got Lexus over here. Lexus. Oh. Bag, it's bag. Oh, we got sauces in the back here. Oh, okay. A Mazda. Let's go. There's quite a bit of Mazda Speed 3s out here. This one's sick. Look at that. That's sweet. All right. We got another Subaru over here. Drive Cartel Special. Let's go. Yeah. TikTok. We got Kimmy's SI over here. Supercharged. Love the supercharger here. Like the titanium. Love it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Love the titanium. We got some nice cars out here, you guys. Okay. Look at the Subaru here. Okay. Very nice. We got Evo over here. We've seen this one a couple times on the channel. The wrap. We got Allen's S15. New wrap. Alright. Oh. We got Civic. This one's gotta be turbo. Yo. Holy smokes. Got B-Series turbo here. Alright. Very nice. What else we got? K-swap. Sick. I like this. Nice. That's Lexus. Got some VIP style stuff over here. Look at the interior. Wow. What's good? Oh, so what do we got going on? This is sick. This is sweet. Holy smokes. Yeah. Oh, he's got live fish in there. Let's go. We got another VIP style Lexus over here. This is sweet. This is another one of my favorites. Look at this interior though. Just look at this. I don't know if I can pick this up. Got Starlight up there also. Very nice. Very nice. Supercharged also. Alrighty. So we pretty much shot this whole entire area. So now we're gonna go check out. There's another room over here that we're gonna go check out. So hopefully I didn't miss anyone over here. I ran through it really quick. It's gonna be a really long video. So check out over here. If you guys remember last year, we had like a little video game section over there. We're racing and stuff with a simulator. That was pretty sweet. So there's supposed to be a lot of video games over here somewhere, so I gotta go find that out. There's supposed to be like a tournament and everything. So look at the Subaru over here. Got a wagon. Oh yeah. What else we got? Ooh, another Lexus. They got some vans over here. Hold on. We gotta check this out. We got some van culture over here. Look at this. Holy smokes. That's sweet. Look at this. Mitsubishi. Woo. I've never seen this model ever in my life. This is pretty dope. I like it. I mean, look at this. Look at the wheel, dude. That's awesome. We got Evo over here. Okay. We got trophies over here. This would be trophies. I guess there's some racing over here. I see everyone kind of playing right there, so maybe we'll give it a shot in a little bit here. We got another wagon over here. Okay. What is this? That's pretty dope, actually. Interesting. We got Chun Media. Check him out. And this is his rap. Very nice. Oh, we got a Supra on a dyno. Oh yeah. What up? Check out this Supra. This is where everyone will be playing the video game simulation. So basically the fastest laps, they get trophies and all all kinds of stuff. So gotta prove your skills in the game. This is sweet. I think we're just gonna work our way around the outside here and then shoot the insides. Let's work our way down the line here. Holy smokes! Is that a Decker? What is this? Nice and tiger. Dude, this is dope. This is sweet. Gold? I think this one needs to be in the front. This is sweet. This is cool. I like this. S2K, very nice. Very nice. What is this? Genesis. Yo, have you seen a Genesis like this? I haven't. Look at that turbo. Wow. Okay. That's sweet. The whole DJ system over here too. That's great. Alright, we're gonna take a look at the Supra here. Very nice, clean Supra. Hey, it's a Panda. What the? I'm the only one with a Panda. That's awesome. Decent sized turbo. Let's keep working our way down the line. This guy covers. It's really good before it gets packed. Skyline. Yeah. And then her Supra over here. We've seen this one in Mexico. I love this car. It's actually awesome to see these cars actually get down and, you know, have time over here. Oh, we got some more video games over here. Okay. So everyone's practicing their Street Fighter or video games over here. I don't know. Everyone's getting the tournament out. We got more racing simulators over here. Okay. Okay, this is sweet. It's awesome. You know, look at the Supra. It's so amazing to actually see these cars actually run. I gotta say, this is sweet. Another ISF over here. Is it ISF? I forget. I think it's just an half sport package. I think it's like a 350, 300? I forget. ISF maybe? I think it's an ISF. This is an ISF. This is an ISF. Is it? I have no idea. The final boss ISF right here, you guys. Check it out. Supercharger, RR Racing, Stage 4. You name it, it's got it. It's got a wheel set up over here. Oh yeah, this one gets down in Mexico for sure. Yeah. Another Nissan, right-hand drive. Check that out. Got a samurai sword over there, alright. BMW. Like a 300 here. S14, I think. Let's kind of name the cars. We got the Q50, Q60 crew right here. All right. Q50, 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 370Z. Look at this wrap. I like this wrap. It's like color changing. That's sweet. Volkswagen, Honda here. Turbo Honda. Oh boy. Ooh, this is sweet. Nice. Oh. Alright, moving our way down the line here. Gotta focus. Alright. Subi snack. Alright, let's go. Another Subaru. I do miss mine a little bit. After seeing these, like, I do miss mine. Oh, what? Is it a wagon? It's a wagon. Let's sell a swap. Yo, it's swapped. Yo. That's. We, DSM, Alex Talon. We seen this guy with my CTSV, but way back in the day. I think he's on FB Black. Pretty quick car. But we got a G over here. I like the green. I like the carbon fiber. Ooh, bang. Look at the wheels. Woo. Alright, let's go to the interior here. Nice. Got a sound system in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see here. They got, oh, you got Hot Wheels in the back. done, sir. Girl, gal. Well done. This is nice. This is very nice. Wow, Minnesota car too. Wow. Look at the headlights. Headlights are even custom. Interesting. Very nice.
Just want to get it done.
Yeah, I'm trying to walk down really fast, you guys. We gotta focus here. Acura SE300 here. At least it says turbo. Oh yeah. Very nice turbo here. Very nice. Casey's NSX over here. I think this is Casey's NSX. I think this one's supercharged. Take a quick look here. No, I lied. It's not his. I thought it was Casey's. My bad. Anyway, down line we got a Integra. Right. We got the Porsche. We were supposed to run this at Power Cruise, but it never happened. There he is. Wait, down the line. There's one more section of road that we gotta go check out. Oh, S2K with the turbo. Oh.
I was hoping you had a GoPro in your car so I could walk up to it and say, what a piece of shit.
Look at this S2K. I've never seen this S2K before. Look at this turbo kit. Look at this. You don't really see these out of Mexico ever. I think I've only ran like one turbo S2K in Mexico. And then a couple at Power Cruise actually, so it's nice. It's very nice. We got plenty of models out and about, doing their photography, their photo shoots and stuff, so yeah, we got one more section over here, the Lowriders, or whatever you want to call them. So check these out. All right. I literally had no idea what kind of cars these are, but I like them. They're different. Sweet. Like I said, I really don't know what these cars are. I just know they're pretty sweet. I know a couple of them over the years have been like fully extended and whatnot, so you can see underneath them, but I guess not this year. That is so sick. And look how clean these are too. Zero rust. Look at this. Zero rust. Look at this guy. Dang, he's buff. What up?
What's up? You know too, right? Two.
Yeah. Hey, man.
Oh my God, dude.
Okay, so I think we pretty much covered all the cars in this area, over here and over there. Like I said, they got some video games over there, and then they got video games over there. I think they're playing Street Fighter over there. The big tournament over there, Street Fighter. I don't know. We might go cover it later. But right now, I think everyone's more interested in Impulse's driving simulator over here. Trying to get the best track time for some trophies. Yeah, I'm surprised. There's quite a bit of people walking around today, and I think I'm gonna go sit. I think that's pretty much gonna do it for Modest, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out. Oh dude. Hello.
Hello again. You're looking good, man.
I don't like these nipples, man. They're like, what? We're doing weird things. Because it's got a bend. Yeah. Oh, we sold it. We traded it in. What are you gonna say today?
You wanna see my car?
Yeah, so check out your car.
Alright, this way. This way. This way. This is my car right here.
It's your car?
Yeah, I run about a 5-second quarter mile.
Very nice.
5 seconds. Actually had her maxed out the other day at 250.
250?
The cops do not catch me. You'll never see this car in an impound lot ever.
Never?
No, I won't get. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty quick. I beat like twin turbo Lambos and stuff. So.
Twin turbo Lambos, very nice.
Yeah. Hey,
Nice
thanks,
car.
man. Just don't touch it, all right? All right.
Okay, so they finally have these cars kind of in show mode here, and I just want to show you guys what it's like under here. Look at this. This is sweet.